Organize a charity benefit. Fundraising for charity benefit is a very noble goal. However, no matter how great your intentions are, organizing this kind of event will not be made easier for you. But with the right steps, you will find organizing this activity not only rewarding but also a breeze. Here, take note of these following steps to help you successfully organize a charity benefit. Find a good team to work on the charity event. Admit it, you cannot make this kind of event possible if you are just alone. You need a very motivated team to help you all throughout the process of organizing the event. Get several people and assign each one of them a specific task. From time to time, conduct a meeting to discuss the preparations and to plan a lot of other details for the charity benefit. Find staff that will attend to the charity benefit. When speaking of staff, you can get paid ones or volunteers. No matter what your choice is, make sure the staff can work greatly for the success of the event. Take note that if a single person makes a mistake during the event, the price can be too high for you to pay. Find attendees to the charity benefit. Create a list of all the possible donors that can help for this event. Make sure you send out invitations to the charity's national headquarters, corporation heads, local celebrities, businessmen, and the like. Make the necessary advertisements for the charity event. You can get more participants in the charity benefit if you advertise the event very well. You can send out several speakers to help you promote the event to several groups of people. You can also advertise in radio, television, charity newsletters, local newspapers, and the Internet. Define the costs of your charity event. You cannot go on with an event without spending something. However, since your goal is dedicated to charity, you can ask certain businesses to donate in kind for the event. Find sponsors for the event venue, foods, advertising, and other needs for the event. Take note of the details of the event. It is important that you finalize the date, time, and location of the charity benefit. Also, hire a respected and well-known speaker so as to draw more attendees to the event. There are a lot of people who can be a speaker for you for a little or at no cost for a fundraising project. Make sure to indicate all these details in the invitations and advertisements you send out in connection for this charity benefit event. Arrange some forms of entertainment in the event. Entertainment is expensive these days, but you need entertainment as a way to thank every donor that is in attendance to the event. You can look for new or local musicians that can help you in the event for cheaper rates. Or, you can throw in a little contest of bands or comedians and give the winner some sort of an award. Your proper organization steps will determine the success of the charity benefit. With a specific goal in mind, it is very important to do your very best to ensure that your goals will be met. In this kind of event, you cannot afford to fail anyone here. Hence, make sure you do everything right when organizing events like this.